Popular and delicious, it's simple to make an irresistible cheese corn with Gold Medal's equipment and supplies. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we will be using. 5 gallons of popcorn, 1.5 to 3 cups of premium cheddar pure gold cheese paste. Gold Medal offers a variety of cheese pastes you can choose from, but the processes are all very similar. Begin with the popcorn in your tumbler. Pre-melt 2 cups of cheese paste for every 5 gallons of popcorn. Pour the cheese along the edge in a narrow stream, about the size of a pencil, and let the machine do the mixing. Continue pouring, slow but steady. Let the corn mix until it reaches desired consistency. Allow approximately 2 to 5 minutes. When the process is complete, you will be ready to bag up your cheese corn in an airtight bag. And that's how simple it is to produce delicious cheese corn. Enjoy trying all of Gold Medal's cheese pastes, including sour cream and chives and buffalo blue cheese.